How to upload videos to Google Drive from Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to Google Drive from your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Drive app on your phone. And here, make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply go to the folder where you want to upload the videos. And once you're there, simply tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on upload. And after that, choose the photos and videos. And once you have selected the videos that you want to upload, just tap on upload. And once uploaded, your video will appear in the recent files. And if it's not showing up right away, you can just pull down to refresh. And that's it. That's how you can upload and share videos to Google Drive from your Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.